What if you could build an entire Stickman animation workflow with AI? So let's get started. For this tutorial, we need NotebookLM. If you don't know what NotebookLM is or how it works, watch this video in the description before continuing. I created a new notebook specifically for this Stickman animation project. Think of this notebook as the brain behind the entire workflow. The first thing I did was look for channels that are already using this type of content. So I searched for Stickman animation channels like this one and started looking through their videos. As you can see, these types of channels are getting millions of views from just a few videos. Once you find a few channels that match the style you're looking for, copy the link and add them to NotebookLM as sources, one by one. Once the sources are added, we can ask NotebookLM to analyze the content and generate video ideas. So let's ask the engine to generate some ideas based on our sources. After a few moments, it will generate multiple ideas. Now we need to pick the ones we like the most. And if we don't find anything good enough, we can simply generate another list. Once we have the ideas we want, we can save the result as a note. Now we have a collection of potential video ideas. We can also turn this note into a separate source by clicking on Convert to Source. Now that we have our ideas, we can turn them into an actual content plan. For each video, we only need 3 things: the topic, a short description, and a strong hook. So click on Data Table, select only the source we just created, and add the prompt I'm leaving in the description to generate a full 7-day content plan. Once it's finished, we can convert the result into a spreadsheet and keep everything organized. Now I can pick one of the ideas from the content plan and bring it back into NotebookLM. Then I can ask NotebookLM to write the script. Because the notebook already contains our research and content ideas, the script has much more context about the type of content we're creating. Now it's time to create the Stickman character. We need a consistent character that we can use throughout all of our scenes. So we'll take the first character prompt and bring it into Google's Flow. From there, we can generate multiple versions until we find the character we like the most. Once we have the character, we can use it as our main reference for the entire video. Now we need to turn the script into visuals. Instead of manually figuring out what every scene should look like, we can ask NotebookLM to break the script down into visual moments. The goal is to match the narration with what the viewer sees on screen. Now we have everything we need to generate the scenes. I go through the prompts one by one, copy each prompt, and bring it back into Flow to create the visuals. To keep everything consistent, always insert your character sheet as a reference. And for each new scene, also use the last scene you created as a reference. This helps keep the character and the visual style consistent from one scene to the next. Once all the visuals are ready, the next step is the voiceover. We can take the finished script and generate the narration using 11 Labs. Simply copy the script, go to 11 Labs, choose the voice you want, paste the script, and generate the voiceover.
If you've ever found yourself wide awake at 2 a.m., staring at your ceiling and feeling like your body is completely broken,
then bring the voiceover and all of your scenes into your editing software. I like to start with the voiceover first because it gives me the structure and timing of the entire video. And that's the entire workflow. Now we just have to collect the scenes, add the voiceover, organize everything on the timeline, and that's it. Imagine losing a war where the enemy never even showed up, where an army of 100,000 men fought a brutal, bloody battle, entirely against themselves, and lost. To find the Ottoman forces, a group of Austrian cavalry scouts rode across the Timis River. The effect was instantaneous. The sleeping soldiers woke up in total darkness. They aimed their heavy cannons at their own camp and opened fire. They walked into a ghost town. Hit that subscribe button. See you in the next episode.